Hi, my name's Shane Beasley. I'm the General Manager here in Newcastle for Koppers Carbon Materials and Chemicals. Our business produces a range of products. Our main product group is coal tar pitch, which is used in the aluminium industry to produce carbon anodes for the smelting of aluminium. Our other product group is called carbon black feedstock, which goes to the carbon black industry. Carbon black is used in the manufacture of tyres to increase the wear properties and durability of tyres for the transportation industry. And our other product group is naphthalene, which becomes a construction chemical used in concrete for reducing the amount of water required in construction. Our business started here in the Hunter over 50 years ago. Was a joint venture between Koppers Inc. from the US and BHP Steel. It's located here in Newcastle because BHP used to have a large integrated steelworks over the back fence. So we are located here to take the coal tar that originally came from that plant. Our raw materials come from the production of metallurgical coke for the steel industry. So our raw materials here in Australia come from the Australian steel industry, as well as the steel industry in Asia and the metallurgical coke industry there as well. It aligns very well because we take the byproduct from that industry that would normally be burnt as a secondary fuel source. And instead, we create new products which can be used in other industries as raw materials for further products. We believe we fit very well, and it's all about resource efficiency. So none of our resources are directly extracted from the environment. We take a byproduct from someone else and we use it very efficiently. For example, last year we used 156,000 tonnes of byproduct from that industry, of which 96.9% was converted into value-added products for further industries, and the 3.1% that wasn't converted to usable products was burnt here on site as a fuel source for us, which reduced our natural gas requirement. I guess we believe that we are a vital component of producing aluminium. And aluminium, as you know, is infinitely recyclable. So with us being able to do that, we support the use of aluminium which becomes used in a lot of the sustainability projects and infrastructure going forward to support those initiatives. So what we've looked to do is look at how we can potentially use our products for different uses that support the circular economy. Part of that on a global scale is we're looking to partner with people who make anode material for the battery industry, and we're looking with one of our products which can be used to enhance the life of batteries and the performance of batteries, so specifically around extending battery life and supporting, say, green energy initiatives and things like that. Some of our collaborations here with various government and industry partners here in Newcastle have been valuable to us. A lot of it's just to gain more insight into what other people are doing. Some of the information we've been able to get helps us with developing our initiatives going forward. So the work we've done with Sustainability Advantage has been great for us to find out, what's available in the sphere of government grants and things to help bring projects to fruition. We've been involved with Hunter Circular. We've been involved with the Port of Newcastle, looking at the decarbonisation projects and green energy projects and how we can potentially be involved. And we've also been involved with people like the Newcastle University into researching other uses for our products that can enhance the performance for green energy battery type applications as well. So we are a very mature industry here in Australia. We've been here a long time. Koppers has always strived to be at the forefront of meeting and exceeding whatever the industry standards were at the time, but over time they have changed, and the community expectations of industry have changed, of course, as well. So we actively participate with the community we operate in. We try to be a very good corporate citizen. We have a community liaison group where we meet with key stakeholders from the local community and our neighbours, and we keep them appraised of what developments we have as a company, what we're striving to do to be better, and just so they know that we are part of the community and we realise the responsibility that goes along with being a manufacturing facility close to the local community. I think the future looks very bright for our company here in Australia. We have a very symbiotic relationship with the aluminium industry and the steel industry in that we all rely on each other. Us We rely on the steel industry for our raw materials, and they rely on us to take that. And of course, the aluminium industry relies on us to supply that raw material that they need for their process. So I think the future of all three industries is pretty good here in Australia with the current geopolitical climate. I think there's a much more of a focus on supporting Australian industry. So I believe that, I think, it looks very, very promising for all of us. Thank you very much.